No?
It was, wasn't it?
You want me to get a bit close?
Nah, right. So we're just out and about in the woods. Well, not in the woods. Getting my first flight on the DJI Mavic Mini 2. So yeah, let's do it. To get in the air because it's mildly windy, but look at that sky down there. Take a look. So I'm just going to take the phone, pull the cables out, put it on low power mode because my phone battery barely lasts 5 minutes, and simply put it on the dock and work out how to plug it in again and turn the controller on. I've done that. We're going to, when I can do it, pull out the props nice and easily. And now I've never flown a drone before. I've never had any of the bigger ones, so for this is my first one, and to be honest, it's been quite impressive. Thank you. Just in the settings, I'm going to change the brightness a little bit, make it a little bit darker to try and get the best out of this sky. Let's not do what I did to Kurt. I'm going to go across, oh, that way.
Smile.
Gina's on a mission to try and take a photo of me on this road doing a ollie on my skateboard. Let's hope she can get the settings right.